Sheesh, what a busy week for me. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new keyboard in the house from Gamdias. It's their all new Hermes M6, a premium mechanical RGB gaming keyboard and packs some pretty interesting specs and features around 3,300 rupees. I'll tell you the exact pricing at a later part in the video. So this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video guys. So it comes in this sort of box packaging. Main attraction is that premium design with RGB lighting everywhere on the keyboard guys. So that is something I'm really looking forward to check out and show you people in this video. As soon as you open it, there you go, our brand new keyboard from Gamdias comes packed like this. It's only available in silver sort of finish, I believe guys. Let me just take it out of this package and show you how it looks like. Definitely a big sized keyboard. You're getting a full layout over here, and boy oh boy, that actually looks quite beautiful from our initial impressions. Look at that silver finish, and along with that you also get a free keycap puller included in the package. That's it, these are all the stuff. So here's our first look at Hermes M6 premium RGB mechanical keyboard from Gamdias. This is how it looks like. Definitely a beautiful looking design guys. I love the white keycaps with silver sort of front panel on the keyboard. You have the Gamdias branding over here, Hermes M6, and a couple of status LED indicators. It's got full RGB lighting guys, even on the wings of the keyboard. Keeping that aside, this is a mechanical gaming keyboard and features blue switches on board. And if you talk about the build quality, definitely good build quality. Front panel looks like is made of aluminum, while the rest of the body looks like is made of polycarbonate. It's a wired keyboard, comes with a standard 1.8 meter cable, and on the bottom you've got some flip stands and rubber foot pads. That's it, our complete overview on the design part. What I'll do is I'll quickly connect this keyboard to my PC and show you how it looks like. It's a very simple plug and play mechanical keyboard, no software, nothing required, and initial impressions, damn, it's actually looking good, right? Beautiful RGB lighting, I would say. I've told you, right? It's a wired mechanical gaming keyboard, has a clean aesthetic look with an ergonomic design, and main attraction over here is that beautiful RGB lighting. Not just the keys, but it has two special RGB zones on the left and right wings of the keyboard. And good thing is you don't need any software to control the lighting on it. You can do it like on the go using the function keys of the keyboard. There are a total of 7 different lighting effects available to choose from, just like this. Let me tell you about the comfort as well. I've been using it since the last 3 days, and overall experience was like pretty decent. Comfortable experience, I would say. Keycap quality is nice. Lettering is also easily readable in all sorts of situations. And not to miss out the fact you're getting mechanical key switches, but these are Gamdias certified mechanical blue switches that offer around like 50 million clicks lifespan. For a premium price tag, I was expecting at least Otemu or maybe like Gatron switches. Nevertheless, these are also good. I personally love blue switches because of that satisfying sound and click experience. Blue switches offer a very tactile and clicky feedback. Of course, they're a bit noisy, but that is what I really like about them. You know, the sound says the click has been registered even without looking at the keyboard. So that is the reason a lot of enthusiasts, programmers, coders, people who usually work on computers for a long time, they prefer blue mechanical switches. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways, just listen to this sound over here, you'll get an idea. Well, that is pretty much it guys, our quick unboxing and video on Gamdias Hermes M6 mechanical RGB gaming keyboard. Love the premium look and feel over here, beautiful RGB lighting and good switch quality. Only thing I felt was the brand should have given a detachable USB cable on this model. It costs around 3,400 rupees. Links for that will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. That's it. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know about this product. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.